Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a reset or a movement that you can do to help keep you strong, able, and capable while you're at work or while you're just sitting in a chair. And this is the standing, sitting, cross crawl. Super simple, but all you do, take advantage of your chair, you stand up, touch opposite elbow to knee, sit back down, stand up, opposite elbow to knee, and that's it. But this is a great way to move and take advantage of a chair, build some balance, some stability, some coordination, some strength. You really find those glutes from the side. Oh, by the way, this is very good for your brain because it is a cross crawl. You are connecting both hemispheres of your brain. You can even throw in some really exaggerated gait pattern work. Putting that arm into extension, the opposite arm. And you can also, definitely make sure the chair's under you, but you can also relax. So tension is off the system, tension is on the system. Off, on, off, on. So we're kind of engaging our reflexive strength by, I'm gonna stand, so I don't have to do anything right now, I'm here. I'm being held by the chair. But now all of a sudden I push into the floor, tension on the system, tension off the system, for the most part. Sure, there's tension running through me because I am sitting up straight and I'm not, slouching. But for the most part, the legs are relaxed. Boom, everything's on, things turn off, things turn on, things turn off. And that's good. It's good to exercise the things, the reflexive strength that is our foundation for movement. Anyway, super simple movement idea. This it feels good. It invigorates you. I mean, if you do like 20 of these, you're gonna feel your heart rate get up, but you're gonna feel more energized, but you're also doing great things for your nervous system. You're doing great things for your body. You're using your body, moving your body, but you're connecting your X, and you are building balance, posture, coordination, wonderful things that just help you live the life you want to live better as you circle the sun throughout all the many trips that you get to circle the sun with as you age. Anyway, give that a shot, the sitting, standing, cross crawl, touching maneuver. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.